Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I'm gonna show you how to fix the leaky valve over here, which is this one here. Oh, by the way, before I go any further, if it is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right down here. And if you found this useful, give me a thumbs up so other people can see this video and they can learn how to fix this valve. And let's get into it right now. So I'm going to remove the cap now, and I'm going to show you what you have to do if you have a leaky valve right here. And the one thing that ends up happening is that you see over here, there's like a little nipple there. This nipple is used so that to eliminate the vibration of the valve. However, a lot of people neglect that little tiny nipple there, and guess what? They get a leak in this little, I would call this the inlet, so the sub valve that goes inside in the inner valve. And what ends up happening over there, this thing over here, let's get the camera to focus. You see what I'm pinpointing right here? First, let's get this guy to focus. So you see there's like an inner valve right here. This thing will get loose. And what ends up happening, you get a leak right here. And the best way to test that will be just to kind of spray some water. So you see, I spray some water here with my sprayer. And if you look over here, let's try to zoom in. Apparently, this one seems to be okay. It's not creating any bubbles. However, if you do the test, just like I've done it, and if you see some bubbles in here, this is what you have to do. You gotta take some rag, or you can even do it with your fingers, and you gotta just tighten this inner valve. So the tube that I'm running is the Continental, so that's the one that I'm running, and they have how they build stuff. They do put like an inner valve in here, and that inner valve, like I said, will get loose. And what do you have to do? You just gotta tighten it. So again, I would take some rag and try to tighten it there, and I'm gonna just close this thing. So you wanna just make sure to get some grip. A lot of people use the pliers to tighten this sub valve. I wouldn't recommend doing it. You may just overdo it and you may ruin the valve. So just try to tighten it as much as you can with your finger, and you should be good to go. And then when you're all set, tighten the cap on top, put the cap back in, and then you're all set. And that's pretty much that. Like, subscribe, and over here to my right, there's more videos on the bikes. Take care, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.